Hi there and welcome to IPS Chat. I'm Sam.
And I'm Andy, and in today's video we're going to show you 5 clever ideas to consider for your new Symphony kitchen.
Brilliant. Let's have a look then.
Yeah. Right then, what do you think of this? A larder pull-out unit. Saves you climbing to the back of your cupboards.
Here you go, this one's an absolute corker. If like me you're tall or you've got a bad back, you probably hate getting bent down and going into the back of cupboards like this. Well, with a corner unit, a pull-out unit, look at this. And the good thing is you're getting storage right into the back of the cupboard.
And here's another version of the corner pull-out unit at a higher level as well.
Hey, let there be light. Why work in the shadows? You can have under cabinet lighting or lighting incorporated in a shelf. And here's the latest thing in splashback materials, Alusplash from Hafele. It's actually a coated hard-wearing aluminium material instead of using the traditional tile or glass. And as well as that, it'll bend internal and external corners, and you get it in nice big pieces so you can do a long seamless run. And the best thing about that, at the end of its life, being aluminium, is completely recyclable. And I nearly forgot, it comes in colours other than red. So there you have it. We hope you found that interesting and maybe it's given you some good ideas for your next kitchen.
Yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.
And remember, keep watching for the next video. Bye for now.